The ingredients for the recipe are fairly simple guys. I am going to make a list and post it down below. Right now what we are going to do is take a mixing bowl and we are going to add the roughly cut paneer into it. Here I am taking 300 grams of diced paneer cubes. Along with this, we are going to add salt as per taste, a little bit of red chilli powder, about 1 teaspoon should be fine. Along with that, I am also adding 1 sprig of curry leaves. I've just chopped it roughly and then I am adding it. I'm also going to add 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic. If you don't like added garlic, you can skip this because we are also going to add some ginger garlic paste right now. I'm taking 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now the next step is to get your hands in because we are going to rub the masalas in the paneer. So first we are going to rub the ginger garlic paste with some corn flour and some maida. Here I am taking 4 tablespoons of corn flour and about 3 tablespoons of maida or plain flour. Just mix it really well. Right now we are rubbing the masalas and the flours with the paneer. This step is going to ensure we get a really nice crispy crust in the paneer triangles. So right now as you can see, we have got a really nice coating of dry flours in the paneer triangles. Now we are going to sprinkle a little bit of lemon juice into it. This is going to increase that acidic taste of paneer 65, which is what makes it really delicious. If you want to add, you can also add 2 tablespoons of curd or dahi. Now what we are going to do is mix it really well, add little water at a time and make a thick batter out of this. You have to ensure we get a really thick and even coating in the paneer cubes. Here you go, the paneer cubes, paneer triangles or paneer dices are ready. We have gotten a really nice coating. Now what we are going to do is cook them. Here I am taking some oil which is heated up in high flame. First, let's test the oil by adding a little bit of the batter because we don't want to add the paneer cubes in the cold oil. This looks hot and ready. Now we are going to add the paneer pieces one by one. The step right here is to keep the flame high and then keep adding those paneer pieces one by one. If they stick together, don't worry guys, they will be fine after they are golden. So frying the paneer pieces will take about 3 to 4 minutes in high flame. Once they are golden and crispy, we will take them out. You can see how crispy they look, isn't it? I am placing them in a tissue paper because we are not going to double fry them. These are perfect as it is guys. You can see the texture. This is crunchy and crispy from outside and once you bite into it, you will get that soft and spongy and juicy paneer inside. This is ready. Now let's make it even more tastier. For the tadka of the paneer 65, we are going to take a wok or a kadhai. If you don't have a big wok or a big kadhai like this, you can also use a steel pan. By using a steel utensil, you will get a very similar flavor. And why is it that? Because the steel pans get really hot really fast. So while the wok is heating up, let me show you these are the ingredients that we will need mainly for the tadka. Here I am taking 2 whole red chilies, 2 sprigs of curry leaves and 3 to 4 green chilies which are slit. I am going to cut the red chili into smaller pieces. So here the wok is hot and ready. I am going to add the oil to it. Here I am taking about 2 tablespoons of oil. You can notice this is getting hot instantly. We have to be fast right now. So here I am taking the red chilies, the curry leaves and the green chili. I am going to quickly add them. Along with that, I am also adding 4 tablespoons of chopped garlic. Yes, that's right. It's quite an amount, but it is what will make the recipe even more tastier. Along with that, I am also taking half a capsicum, green capsicum, which is diced, and a medium-sized onion diced. So most of the things are added. Now we are going to give it a really nice mix, keep the flame high and cook it for a few seconds. After that, we are going to add the red chili sauce into it. I am taking about 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce. You can also add some homemade red chili paste in this recipe. If you are taking homemade red chilli paste, then do make sure to add some vinegar into the recipe. Otherwise, it is not necessary because the packaged red chilli sauce already has vinegar. This tadka looks amazing and colorful. Next, I'm also going to add salt as per taste. Along with that, I'm also adding about half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. I'm also going to add a little bit of spring onion greens. This is a spicy recipe, guys. If you cannot tolerate this much spice, you can reduce it down. And then we are going to add the key ingredient of the recipe, which is dahi or yogurt. Without this, the paneer 65 is incomplete. So here I have 100 grams of dahi or yogurt. In that, we are going to add about half a teaspoon of corn flour. If you don't add corn flour, then the dahi will split on contact with the heat. So adding that half a teaspoon of corn flour is necessary. Along with that, I am also going to add the color into this, guys. We cannot help it. This is how it is made. If you are making it at home, then you can totally skip adding the color. I am showing you the restaurant style right now. For that, I have to add the red color. We are going to mix the color really well with the dahi or the yogurt. After that, we are going to mix the tadka once again because the flame is really high. And then we are going to add the dahi into the tadka. After adding the dahi, you have to constantly stir it. There you go, you can see the consistency looks great. It is bubbling and boiling, absolutely perfect. You can turn it off right now, in the sense you can turn off the flame and then add the paneer pieces. I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to let it stay because I want to cook them really well with the tadka. There you go, guys, our paneer 65 is ready. You can see it looks sensational, isn't it? Absolutely perfect in Hyderabadi style. Although it's a recipe from Chennai, we have made it in the Hyderabad style. So now I'm going to serve it. So for that restaurant style feel, I am taking some cabbage and some carrots. I have made a salad, I have kept it on the corner, and then we are going to serve it with the paneer 65. So guys, this was my recipe for the restaurant style paneer 65. I have just garnished it with some coriander stems. It's looking amazing and the texture is out of the world. You have to try this recipe out, guys, so do try it and let me know how it goes for you. The texture, as you can see, the coating as you can see, is perfect, isn't it?